Okay, so this morning it is very sad. Little tiny bird. Look at. My goodness. Little tiny bird. Aww. That's very, very sad. It came, it flew.
Hit the window.
Yeah, it's all stiff up now. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. The little bird flew right into the window up here. The clear window up here.
I hit the window on accident.
It flew right into the window so fast. And it just,
Poor
boom,
bird.
the window, and it just dropped down here dead. So sad. Very, very sad indeed.
I missed
What a sad day today. Is that a good omen or bad omen? Having a bird flew through the window and die instantly.
Daddy.
That is very, very sad.
Daddy.
What a day. We're going to bury him. Okay? Okay, so we're going to take the bird and we're going to go and pick up the bird and then we're going to bury him. Okay? So let's give him a proper bury. Alright, so that's so sad. Yeah, sad. We're going to bury him by our plants over here. Okay? Let's see. Alright, so we'll dig a hole over here. I'm going to put him away over here. Alright?
Bye-bye, birdie.
Okay, so let's just put him over here. I think he's
We miss birdies. We grow plants here, and then our birdie,
so hot.
and the birdie is actually gone forever. No. Now he's gonna live in there.
Now we got a problem. We got a problem. We got a sprinkler hose broken. Darn it.
Done it.
Now we're going to have to replace that. Oh, we can't do it there then.
Let's do it right there.
We can do a little bit over here, but we've broken the sprinkler hose. We got to replace the sprinkler hose.
We grow plants over here, so we're gonna need to water Mommy's plants, and Mommy's gonna be mad at us. So we have to bury it, and Mommy's gonna get mad. We let her plants grow, and the other ones are on the other side, and they grow, but the other ones are dying. So Mommy's not home to water them, so Daddy has to water her Mommy's
I don't know
plants.
if we put it in here. I don't know if the cat's going to come and, you know, get the bugs from him.
And we had to bury a bird in our garden where we plants, and then
So we'll put the bird
Mommy's
in here.
going to.
And we're just going to bury the bird in here. All right? Goodbye, bird.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow.
No, can't see him no more. Dead.
That's it.
Yeah.
So Mommy
Bird's
doesn't
dead,
know.
but we broke the sprinkler
No.
hose, so we got to go and repair that. That's sad.
Bye.
Fix one thing, we got another.
Bye.
All right, that's it. That's the end of the boat. Hopefully no more birds coming hitting the window like that again.